The boogeyman we always knew. When Michelle Obama said that she wasn't sure she had ever been proud of her country, many Americans acted shocked. Black Americans weren't. Not because we don't love this country, but because we've always known the difference between loving America and lying about it. For 400 years, we have lived with a truth that this nation still avoids. The promises of America and its practices don't always match. So when this administration arrived, many people saw reckoning. Black Americans saw confirmation. They didn't invent the danger. They removed the disguise. The boogeyman under the bed of the Constitution was never a secret to us. What's new isn't the threat. What's new is how many others can finally see it.